the short answer is no. Actually, hormone replacement therapy should make it easier for you to lose weight rather than make you gain weight. And let me unpackage that a little bit. As women go through the menopause transition, there can be some metabolic changes in how your body stores fat and also in your metabolism. And one of the things that can happen and tends to happen is that women go from having that hourglass shape to having more of an apple shape. And the fat deposition gets laid down in their midsection in what we call visceral fat, which is really kind of inside, but also fat under the skin, but around their abdomen. And, most people don't like that shape. And so it's quite a problem. Also, metabolism can slow down. And so even the same amount of exercise and diet, people can gain weight. And so taking hormone replacement therapy will help put your hormone milieu back to where it was before the menopause transition, reverse some of those metabolic effects, decrease the amount of fat that's being deposited in your stomach, and get you back into the type of shape that you're used to before the menopause. In addition, it can help increase the metabolism, and that can help you to lose weight, again, at the same diet and exercise, because you're burning more calories, basically doing nothing. In addition, hormone replacement therapy can help increase muscle mass. And so you might say, well, muscle weighs more than fat. That's going to make me gain weight. Maybe. But in honesty, it's a kind of weight that you don't mind gaining because it's healthy weight. It makes you look better, and it also keeps you healthier. But in addition, your lean muscle should increase, meaning that the fat goes away. Your BMI actually should decrease with those changes. In addition, muscle is much more metabolically active than fat, and so muscle at rest burns more calories than fat at rest. And so the amount of calories that you burn, your metabolism goes up when you have more muscle. And so all these changes are beneficial for you that hormone replacement therapy can help. So all in all, hormone replacement therapy should help with your weight and your body shape. There is a caveat, and that is for some women, when they first start hormone replacement therapy, there is some initial weight gain that's mostly due to water retention. And so sometimes it takes a little while, maybe a month and a half even, sometimes as long as 2 months, for the body to adjust to this change in hormones. And one of the things that can happen is that there can be water retention, and that can put weight on very quickly. I mean, you can see 5-10 pounds almost overnight from water retention, but that's not real weight. And that goes away very quickly once the tide turns and your body adjusts to the hormones and it starts dumping that water that has been accumulating. So don't be surprised when you step on that scale after 2-3 weeks of starting hormone replacement therapy and you're a few pounds up, even 5 pounds or more up. That's water weight and will go away quickly. If you stick with it, you can expect the metabolism to speed up and making it easier to gain weight. It doesn't mean the weight is just going to drop off magically. You still have to do your part. You've got to eat fewer calories, you've got to exercise. But all things being equal, it should be easier to lose weight on hormone replacement therapy than off of hormone replacement therapy.